What happens to your body if you take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar daily? Apple cider vinegar has recently gained popularity on digital platforms, especially within the healthy eating and nutrition community, often being recommended for weight loss. But did you know that the bottle of apple cider vinegar in your kitchen cupboard can do much more than just add flavor to salad? It might be worthwhile to consider relocating your bottle of apple cider vinegar to your medicine cabinet. In this video, we'll explore 10 compelling reasons to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, ensuring its use is both effective and appropriate. Vinegar is an ancient treasure, with roots stretching back to 8000 BC. Used not just in cooking, but also as a medicine, this elixir was valued in various ancient cultures. In ancient Rome, legionaries highly valued apple cider vinegar for preparing posca, a rejuvenating energy drink. This elixir was reputed not only for strengthening warriors, but also for combating fatigue. In China, it was employed as a preventative measure against diseases, while in Japan, samurais considered it a powerful tonic. During the Middle Ages in Paris, apple cider vinegar emerged as an unconventional body deodorant, gaining popularity on the shelves of local markets. Today, it has become the object of scientific study, with academic theses and numerous publications exploring its medicinal properties. Apple cider vinegar, obtained through the fermentation of apples or grapes, stands out for its versatility and unique composition. Enriched with more than 93 nutritional components, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, pectin, and beta-carotene, it is widely recognized as a powerful natural anti-inflammatory agent. Particularly rich in vitamin E, apple cider vinegar serves as an antidepressant and a potent antioxidant. Its remarkable antibacterial and antifungal properties contribute significantly to skin rejuvenation and hair treatments. Upon undergoing fermentation with beneficial yeasts, apple cider vinegar achieves a standard composition of 5% acetic acid and 95% water, making it a distinctive and beneficial addition to health regimens. Besides imparting a unique flavor to dishes, apple cider vinegar is a liquid marvel brimming with health benefits. Want to learn more? Discover now the 10 reasons to use apple cider vinegar every day, and stay until the end to receive valuable tips on how to include this powerful ingredient in your diet. Also, we will share the correct dosage, which makes all the difference in harnessing its full potential. Get ready to learn all the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Aiding in weight loss. Apple cider vinegar, with its richness in acids and polyphenolic compounds, stands out as an ally in the weight loss journey, making it more difficult for the intestine to absorb carbohydrates. Its composition includes pectin, a soluble fiber that provides a feeling of fullness, reducing hunger. Additionally, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar play a crucial role in preventing the accumulation of fat, contributing to the elimination of excess fat in the body. It's a smart choice, not just for those looking to lose weight, but also for promoting overall health. 2. Assisting in diabetes management. Apple cider vinegar proves to be a significant aid in diabetes care, chiefly due to its high acetic acid content. This acid plays a pivotal role in inhibiting enzymes like sucrase and lactase, thereby reducing the absorption of sugars and starches. This action helps maintain balanced glucose levels. Research highlights that apple cider vinegar is instrumental in managing diabetes. This is largely attributed to pectin, a soluble fiber that lessens carbohydrate absorption in the intestines, thereby controlling blood sugar spikes post-meals. Furthermore, its rich composition of magnesium, quercetin, and antioxidants aids in enhancing insulin function and curbing glucose production by the liver. Know anyone managing diabetes? Share this valuable tip with them. 3. Enhancing digestive and intestinal health. Apple cider vinegar, with its rich array of fibers and acids such as acetic and chlorogenic, is pivotal in enhancing digestion. These components not only ease symptoms of indigestion, but also safeguard the stomach, facilitate smoother digestion, and reduce post-meal heaviness. Its antimicrobial qualities play a significant role in promoting intestinal health, combating bacteria that cause infections and inflammations in the intestines. For those experiencing more intense abdominal discomfort, such as from diarrhea or gastritis, apple cider vinegar's antibiotic properties, coupled with the presence of pectin, provide soothing relief. This natural remedy offers a gentle yet effective approach to maintaining digestive wellness. 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, apple cider vinegar not only prevents the fat accumulation in the arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, but also plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. This natural elixir aids in lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, thereby contributing to healthier blood lipid levels. It also assists in regulating blood pressure, minimizing the risks of strokes and heart attacks. Its versatility as a seasoning also provides a tasty alternative to reduce salt consumption in meals, promoting a holistic approach to manage conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. 5. Supports liver health. Apple cider vinegar's composition, rich in acids like gallic, lactic, malic, and citric, plays a fundamental role in liver protection. These acids not only enhance liver function, but also help in preventing fat accumulation, thereby reducing the risk of conditions like fatty liver disease. The presence of polyphenols, flavonoids, and ferulic acid in apple cider vinegar further underscores its health benefits. These components exhibit powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, crucial in reducing bodily inflammation. This, in turn, provides an added layer of defense against liver and kidney damage, underscoring the versatility of apple cider vinegar in supporting overall organ health. 6. Fights acne and delays aging. Apple cider vinegar, rich in acetic, citric, lactic, and succinic acids, serves as an effective natural remedy against acne, combating the Propionibacterium acnes bacteria, responsible for the development of acne. For safe application, it's recommended to dilute the vinegar in water to mitigate skin irritation, and caution is advised against using it on sensitive skin or open wounds. Additionally, apple cider vinegar contains polyphenols with antioxidant properties, effective in combating free radicals generated by aging, pollution, and poor diet. Rich in beta-carotene, quercetin, and catechin, these elements have been proven for their anti-aging properties. Stay tuned, as we will share this recipe throughout the video. 7. Inhibiting fungal and bacterial growth. Numerous scientific studies highlight the antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar, capable of reducing the proliferation of naturally occurring microorganisms in the body. Examples include Candida albicans and Staphylococcus aureus, which are associated with urinary, gastrointestinal, and skin infections. The primary acid in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, known for its properties. Laboratory studies have shown that acetic acid can eliminate up to 90% of viruses and bacteria present in certain cultures. Further research highlights its rapid action, demonstrating that a 5% acetic acid concentration, typical in vinegar, can effectively neutralize cholera vibrio within a mere 5 minutes of exposure. These insights reveal the potential of apple cider vinegar as a natural antimicrobial agent. Before we proceed to the last two benefits, don't forget to give a like if you're enjoying the content, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications to be the first to know when we release new exclusive videos. 8. Insomnia. Insomnia can be challenging, but apple cider vinegar offers a potential natural remedy. This unique elixir releases tryptophan, a substance that is converted into serotonin, promoting physical well-being and preventing the exhaustion that often leads to sleep difficulties. A pro tip: combining apple cider vinegar with honey can enhance its effectiveness against insomnia. Honey, rich in omega-3, alleviates fatigue, while its natural sugars boost insulin levels, further stimulating serotonin production. To enjoy these benefits, simply add a spoonful of apple cider vinegar and honey to your favorite tea, such as chamomile, passion fruit, or valerian. Stir well to create a soothing, natural beverage that can help you relax and sleep better. 9. Preventing anemia and providing anti-inflammatory action. Recent studies have uncovered another remarkable benefit of apple cider vinegar: its role in preventing anemia, a condition often linked to iron deficiency. Its mineral-rich composition aids in the production of blood cells. Notably, the citric acid in apple cider vinegar enhances iron absorption in the intestines, making it a potent ally against anemia. The citric acid in apple cider vinegar, according to research, can enhance iron absorption in the intestine, further strengthening its effectiveness in preventing the disease. Furthermore, the study highlights that it provides protection against oxidative stress. Components such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and ferulic acid in its composition demonstrate antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 10. Hair health. When applied on hair, it rebalances hair porosity and equalizes the pH of the strands. With high acidity, it realigns and repairs the hair fiber cuticles, preventing excessive nutrient loss and prolonging the benefits of other hair treatments. Moreover, it controls excessive oiliness and softens the heavy appearance of oily hair. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, it is also beneficial in treating scalp issues such as dandruff, seborrhea, dermatitis, and hair loss, making it an essential component in hair care routines. Its varied applications, extending beyond culinary uses to include hair care, underscore its versatility as a true health elixir. How can apple cider vinegar be used? It can be utilized in various ways, each offering distinct benefits. Direct consumption. Mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and enjoy it before main meals such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. After drinking, rinse your mouth with water to protect your teeth. Additionally, brushing your teeth 30 minutes after ingestion is recommended to preserve tooth enamel. Enhancing flavors in meals. Apple cider vinegar can be directly added to meals for an enhanced flavor. Create a flavorful salad dressing by blending 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of refined salt. This combination works exceptionally well with green salads, adding a unique and delightful taste. Skin application. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water to create a diluted solution. Dampen a cotton pad with the diluted vinegar solution. Apply it to a clean and dry face. Leave the solution on the skin for 5 to 20 seconds. After the application time, rinse your face thoroughly. In case of any discomfort or irritation, immediately rinse the area with water and a neutral soap. Hair application. For hair shine and pH balance, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. After washing your hair, spray the solution onto damp hair. Do not rinse it out. Let your hair dry naturally. For dandruff and seborrhea, prepare a mixture of equal parts water and apple cider vinegar. Apply the solution directly to the scalp. Gently massage in circular motions to cleanse the scalp. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with your usual hair washing routine. In preventing hair loss, apply apple cider vinegar directly to the scalp, focusing on the roots rather than the ends. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing your hair normally. Adverse effects and interactions of using apple cider vinegar. While apple cider vinegar offers various health benefits, it's essential to be aware of its potential adverse effects and interactions, especially when consumed excessively or over a prolonged period. These possible side effects include nausea, vomiting, throat irritation, digestive difficulties, decreased blood potassium levels, bone loss, potentially increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Individuals taking diuretic medications should be cautious, as apple cider vinegar can interact with these drugs, enhancing their effect on lowering potassium levels. This can lead to symptoms like muscle weakness, cramps, paralysis, or cardiac arrhythmias. Those with allergies to the components of apple cider vinegar should avoid its use. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only. It's always recommended to consult a medical professional for comprehensive evaluation and appropriate advice. If this video has been informative, please hit the like button and share this knowledge with loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further insightful health content. I highly recommend you to watch 2 additional videos popping on your screen right now. You will certainly find them interesting too. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.